Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my new favorite backpack from Dora and Liz. This synthetic leather is very soft and supple. It has a really nice feel to it, and I love the color. It looks nice and worn. The vibrant strap is my favorite part of this bag. You can remove it, but it looks so pretty hanging over the front of the bag, and it looks really great with all of the gold zippers and accents. The great thing about this backpack is that you can also adjust the straps. The straps are very comfortable, and you can adjust them to whatever height that you want. There's even a zipper in the back. This bag is full of compartments, which makes it very versatile. You can fit books in here, your laptop, your iPad, or maybe you want to use it as a diaper bag. You can definitely fit bottles on the side, diapers in here, toys, change of clothing. The possibilities are really endless. It looks really great as a backpack, especially since it's adjustable. But you can also use the colorful strap and wear it over your shoulder as a purse. So if you're in the market for a backpack, be it for school, a new diaper bag, or just to run errands with, you're gonna wanna check this one out from Dora and Liz. Not only is it so beautiful, but it fits so many things. It has so many compartments to keep your things organized, and it's very comfortable and luxurious. That's my point of view.